In the expert view, now in the external system section, now you find a new option, which is Excel connector. Looks that it's similar to our SAP embedded connector. Remember, this Excel connector, it is not the connector exchange. Then, when you create a new connector, then you just have to upload the Excel file that you want to use. Once you upload the file, you are able to create actions. There are 3 types of actions. Writing in cells, where you basically define the name of the cell, the type of attribute, and actually what's the cell. Second, reading cells actions, where you're just going to define which is the cell and the type of the cell. And also you can read ranges. Okay, you can just read, for example, a column or a table. And when you create such actions, what you have to define is the origin and the end of the range. And you could read multiple columns or values within the range. And that's the 3 options that you have in an Excel connector. When you define the actions, then you can just use the Excel in an activity action within a process. And just pick the connector that you previously created and then start mapping your inputs and outputs.